So the capstone consulting projects are very important for both the students. They are our major concern. They're true north. They are the goal of what we're doing here, because they give them the opportunity to work with industry partners and to solve real case problems.
We've been a member for the past 10 years, and what we get out of the program is the innovation, the students, the fresh eyes, the fresh look at some of our business.
So it gives them the opportunity to really show how these work, understand how they work, and also work with the client, work with the customer, so they can understand what it means to be successful with that customer as well.
This was a perfect opportunity to allow the students to manage a real-time project.
My team's work with Siemens will benefit them by bringing up over $1 million cost savings with potential up to $2 million.
It's kind of nice to have these smart students to come in and analyze our business, and it gives us great ideas and great opportunities to improve our supply chain network.
Instead of diverting their resources to work on these problems, they get a pool of students that have a lot of talent, have data analytics skills, and have been trained on process improvement, and can dig deep into the problems, come up with some alternatives, and then come up with some solutions.
It was a very hands-on process and a hands-on approach that they were able to provide with us. So getting the real-world experience of having weekly meetings and weekly checkups and a final presentation where you present to everyone that has a stake in the project.
By them doing that and having the time to do that, they came back with a solution that's going to save Siemens millions of dollars. And so now we're putting a team together to go and implement what the students designed for us.
I think it really shows that the strength of the program, it reinforces our national ranking as one of the strongest programs in the country. It shows the skills that these students have gotten and demonstrated then to the companies that they're going to be valuable employees.
They have the first-hand opportunity to hire students and to get in touch with them early and in the process.
One core strategy for our business is to develop our talent.
We're trying to meet with some of the professors here and some of the students while we're here to try to hire some of those students to fill some of those open slots.
They are getting to know us, and we're getting to know them, so that's kind of a perfect match of them helping us to solve something while we teach them how our company works, what is that we do.
The students amaze me every semester. I mean, when we get the students in and we come up with a project and we put them on board, they never failed us. They come through with a really nice solution, a nice design.
My favorite part was not only gaining real, live, relevant industry experience with a high, fast, intense moving environment in a manufacturing plant, but it was also learning the practical uses of the DMAIC process and gaining a real understanding of how to use the Greenbelt procedure and implementing it and sustaining it through control procedures at the end of those projects.